In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to Square website. Now, the first thing you have to do on your Square dashboard, you want to go to online over here on the left, and you want to click on the websites, which is going to open up your website. Now, in here, you want to select the website, go to website over here, and click on editor. Inside the editor, you have to wait for a few seconds for this to load, and this is where you can add the video to the actual Square website. So it's super simple. First, you want to find a location where you want to put your video. I'm going to go to my home tab over here. Of course, you can go wherever you want on whatever page you wish, and I'm going to scroll down to add section. Click on add section at the bottom left, and from here you want to scroll down until you find video. So click on video. Here you can select how you want it to preview, either like this or like this. I'm going to leave it like that, and then you want to click on the specific block, so where the video should be over here. And as you can see under source, you can go and select the source. You could go and either select custom over here, which allows you to upload a video by clicking add video, selecting over here where you can drag and drop files, or click to basically upload a video. Find the video you want to upload, like this one for example, click on open, and then whenever that's done uploading, you can then basically just attach it via the button up here which says done. So let's wait for this to actually upload, and now you'll see, there we go, it's just some random stock video. It's going to load in here, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see it over here. There we go, it's now loading. You can now click on it, and then it's going to basically be able to upload it whenever it's finalized. Okay, so just click on it, click on done, and you're good to go. So right now, as you can see, you have to please select the video. I'm gonna exit this. There we go. You also have the option to do a YouTube, so that's the second one. If you paste the YouTube URL over here, of course you'll see, there we go, the video is gonna get added onto your website. Now of course you can show player controls if you wanna or not. You can enable privacy enhanced mode or not, up to you, and you can start video at a specific time, or of course enable automatic playback. Now again, you can do pretty much the same things if you are adding a video. So let me see if that's processed. Yeah, there we go. If I click on done over here, again, you have these options down here to loop videos, display titles, etc., and people can now play it just like this. So that's how to add a video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.